Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at Milestone Capital Growth Portfolio. Today is Monday, March 3rd. I wanted to take a look at JCP and a few others here. And nice move today after JCP beat the other day. Today was a big day for them. They're coming up and looks like they're going to close this gap here and then have a pullback. The reason I say the pullback only because the relative strength index is a little bit high. But good push to the upside today. Broke over this 100-day moving average. It's going to come up and close this. If we can get over this, then it's going to be real important to hold above it. If we hold above it, then we're going to crack over this downtrend line right here, and then we could get some legs and move to the upside. What's after that? We have 1144, which is a 200-day moving average, and once you get going here, there's a couple gaps up on the upside here, right around $20, but I don't know if JCP is going to go that high. And there's also a gap up here at $29. I don't know how their business model, if it's completely fixed or not, but whatever the case may be, we're going to play it for what it's worth when they're tradable. So it's done a great job here with this nice move, powering forward after hours also. XGTI is the next one here. This had a big move today, and I've been talking about this one for a while, and it did pull back down. It got really low, came up. Today was crazy volume, came up and tested this area right here again. But what we need to do is break this. Once we break this, this thing could get rolling. Put this here. Okay, so once we break and close above it, but we did break this downtrend line that's in place. Nope, not this one. This one's the wrong one. Sorry, but we did break over the 100-day moving average here, and it looks like it could really get going here and come up and test this 200-day moving average at 407, which would be 100% from where it is. Massive volume today. Arun, I mean, your relative strength index has kicked up very nicely, so watch follow through on XGTI. FATE is next. FATE, big move today. It broke out of the consolidation boxes and is getting ready to move a little bit higher here. It's just got to break this area right here where this wick is, and once it breaks that, then we can start moving a little bit higher to the upside. But Fate Therapeutics is on the move. Okay, HPJ will be next. HPJ has had a consistent move. I'm talking about this for a little while now. 289 now. It's six and change. And it doesn't look like it's going to stop anytime soon. It just did nothing, and then it came up and had a little pop, and then did some consolidating, and now it's really getting some legs with some nice volume. Relative strength index is very high, so that you might want to, if you're not in this one, you might want to give it a little rest and wait till it comes back to this area here. Once it gets in this area, it might be support for it, and then stop moving higher. So HPJ looks really good right here. VIMC is rocking right now. Looks really good. If you draw a nice little trend line off this low here, and you can see how this lines up real nice, but it's in its stepping stages. So look for some consolidation in the $354 area before the next move higher up to 5 to 6. So keep an eye on VIMC. Big beat today on what was that one? VIPS, and they are rolling after hours. They're up in the 155 area. So VIPS is out of control. So keep an eye on that one for tomorrow. It's relative strength index is at 92. I mean, your relative strength index is at 71, a little overbought, but I don't think it's going to matter. It's going to gap and go tomorrow. Big mover, so it's going to have a huge gap in the morning, so keep an eye on that one. That's VIPS. All right. If you're not a member, join today. We're doing wild trades in the chat room. Options chat room is fully stocked with some great traders and incredible chartists, and not missing a thing. ISRG, this one here. The member's been talking about this one filling the gap, and took no prisoners, and this thing has been going up like there's no tomorrow. So we still have this gap up here to get filled, which is around 493. You're only going to get that in the live chat room, okay? And those options are rocking and rolling. This is one of many just today alone. So, all right, everyone, have yourself a great night. Come over to Milestone Capital Growth Portfolio. Join today. Lifetime membership, $500. Videos every day, and a great team to teach and guide and help and really build your portfolio. Have a great night.